Here, helicopter footsteps to my right. 2. 150 knock. Okay. They feel really bad.
You ready? Let's go.
What could that be? Scooting.
Come on, Angel. Scooting.
Purple AUG to start. Killed him for you. Oh,
Killed one.
30 shield. Oh,
Up top, up top. 36, 66. I can count, guys.
in trouble? Jesus Christ. What happened? Oh, I see him. Angel's taking the helicopter in.
Yeah.
Here, helicopter footsteps to my right. 2. 150 knock. Okay. They feel really bad. Swimmers.
Swimmer.
Northwest shooting. Oh, I see a bunch of people out here. There's a whole fight going on out here in this storm.
Fuck yeah, I got a pump, baby. Let's go.
Come use it on all these people fighting out here.
Alright, let's go, let's go. Let's push it.
150 knock. This dude's building hard. They're in the storm, so I really don't want to push it, Angel. You're going out of the storm, Angel. Come back. They got to come to us. That's what I'm really waiting for. Waiting for them to get over here. Just trying to make them all weak. Get a little more in the circle over here.
Who has the vault key, though? The vault's unopened.
Vault's unopened? Wow.
Yeah, so that's why I kind of want to go to check out all that loot that's right there.
Got the elimination from earlier.
I'm at the top of the hill. There's people over there.
Yeah, I told you they were using the boat to get revived.
Oh, they're getting the res? Wow.
Yeah.
I don't know how I missed him. He's on top of the van. They're getting the helicopter. They're trying to get the helicopter. I'm still shooting at them. They took the boat. I guess you're right about the helicopter.
Oh, I got one for 28 two times. 28 two times.
In the water still?
Knock?
50.
I'll go rush it.
Angel's going in. Still in the water. Last one. He just came out of the water.
Holy fuck, they took it.
Martinez,
See you soon.
are you behind me?
Yeah, kinda.
Oh, damn it.
I got it.
Where's my sub?
Oh, you weren't giving me the blue sub? There's only 4
No.
enemies. You said, Martinez, are you behind me? And then there was a blue sub. Falcon.
Yeah, I was giving you the rest of the sub. The rest of the.
I'm just saying, there was a blue
Heavy.
sub. So, where'd
Shut
you
up,
say that
Martinez.
other team was?
They might be hiding in bushes too.
Yeah, they might be hiding. That's why I'm just staying on the top of the hill.
Did one of you guys shoot?
Nope. You're by yourself, too. We're on the top of the hill playing it safe. Take the high ground. That's what they always say to win.
I got footsteps.
Yep. Come to the high ground.
Oh, Jake, he's gonna die.
Stay alive. Yep, build up. Keep going. I don't see nobody. Oh. They're not there. They're the other way,
Oh yeah, behind the house, in the little house.
150.
47.
Alright, play it cool, play it cool. Watch out, Angel.
Oh, I knocked
Wait.
one.
Alright, I'm coming.
Footsteps behind us.
Footsteps behind us, Angel. You're on your own.
Got him.
Never mind, I'm coming. One dude left. One guy. 24 shield, 24, 48 shield. He's got shield, watch out. Watch out, Angel, you're all by yourself.
Yeah, I got it.
You launch padded. 30 white. Got him. Somebody got him.
It was you.
Where's the... Boom, boom. Oh, it doesn't work downhill. What a good warm-up game. Is that the first squad game?
First squad game.
We got some crazy first squad game luck.
Keep myself progressing, cause I creep around suppressants. I don't sleep enough, you guessed it. Every second is a blessing. Got no time to be depressed. On this grind, you always stress, so I work harder than the rest. That always said to do my best.